Okay, we were discussing the uh, question number type 2, and we were discussing this question 5, 6, 7, and 8 leaves the remainder 3. So here we got the remainder, here we got the 840 as the LCM of 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if I divide 840, uh, find the least number, which one divided by 5, 6, 7, and 8 leaves remainder 3, and what when divided by 9 leaves no remainder, right? So it is the LCM of 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it is the divisible. 840 is divisible by these four numbers. So remainder 3 mean add 3. Okay, I'm adding 3. So 843. Now if I divide 843 by 5, I'll get the remainder 3. By 6 remainder 3. By 7 remainder 3. By 8 also remainder 3. But actually it is the question answer till here. But there also they have given a condition that what when divided by 9 leaves no remainder. So what is the divisibility rule of 9? It means sum of the digits. So if I divide 8 plus 4 plus 3, if I add these, it is 15, which is not the multiple of 9. So I have to find the next multiple of these three with the remainder 3 also condition. So you will write that 840 k plus 3 by 9 and remainder should be 0. Okay, so I cannot put that 843 and double of this would be the answer of this question or triple of this. I have to multiply by the LCM only. Okay, after adding the remainder you can't multiply, you have to write down the number as this 840k. So I'll put the value of 840k as 1, so I'll get 843. If I put 2, 840 into 2 is 1680 plus 3, 61683 is given in this question. Okay, so we'll check this is divisible by 9 or not. So 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 8 it is we have 15 plus 3 18. So sum of the this is 18, 18 is the multiple of this, so answer would be 1683 in this case. So every time after getting LCM you can't multiply the number further without like with considering the with adding the remainder. You have to write the number LCM into k plus the remainder. That's how you will find the next number. Okay, okay, now we'll solve the last question of type 2. Find the least multiple of 23 which when divided by 24, 21, 20 and 18 leaves remainder 13, 10 and 7. So here we were getting the same remainder, remainder 3. Here we getting the remainder 6 each in this, in 3, or in this where remainders are different. So 24, when we dividing by 24 we are getting remainder 13. When we getting divided by 21 we are getting remainder 10. When we dividing it by 18 we are getting remainder 7. So what is the common remainder in these cases? It is 11. 21 minus 10 11, 24 minus 13 11. Now why I was solving this I'll tell. First of all, find out the LCM of these three numbers. Okay, we'll find the LCM. So 24, 21 and 18, I can write 24 as 8 into 3. Then I can write 21 as 7 into 3 and 18 as 6 into 3. Or if I write down this in the power, so highest power of 2 is 3 here, highest power of 7 is 7, highest power of 3 is square in this. Okay, so 2 cube into 7, 8 into 7 is 56, 56 into 9, that means 56 into 9 is what? We have 504 as the LCM of these three numbers. So what we did till now, we have 504 as the LCM of these three numbers. Now what we need the multiple of 23. Okay, least multiple of 23. Okay, if I check this 504, okay, 504 is not the multiple of 23. You can check 504 by 23 divided 20 by 23, so I'll get 46, then I'll get 44. It is not the multiple. That means, and also the options are given in the 3000 range, so I'll write 504k minus the common remainder would be the answer of this. When you're having the remainder, you have to add, common remainder you have to subtract, right? So 504, so range is of 3000. That means 505 and 500 something into what would give the 3000. That is simple, that we have to multiply by 6. So I'll write 504 by 6, it is 3024. So recall the common remainder, it is 11. Okay, 3024 minus 11, 3013 is the multiple of 23. That's how we have to solve the question. Now we can check also it is the multiple of not. So we'll write 3013 by 23. So 23 here. Then we have 7 and 71. So I'll put 69 here. So 69 will give remainder 2. So 23. That means it is divisible. Okay. Or you can go with the directly here, that divided by 23 by the options. Okay. But thing is, in this, if they have given two options of multiple of 23, then it would be very tough to solve the question. So just go by this method, find out the LCM, then write down the equation as 504k minus the common remainder. It would be the multiple of 23, right? Now last type of question of LCM and SCF. They can give you the question like this: two alarm clocks ring alarms at regular intervals of 48 seconds. It is the same question, that two person are running on a circular track. One person can cover the circular track in 48 seconds. Second is in 50 seconds. In what time they will meet? And here the question is, if they first weep together at 12 noon, at what time they'll weep again? Same question, just the language of the question is changed. So just find out the LCM of these three. You will get 1200. So how many minutes are there in 1200 seconds? We know it is 60. 1200 by 60 is 20 minutes. So next time they'll beep at 20 past 12. So it would be the answer, right? So this is all about the LCM and SCF. These are the range of question which they are asking, and from this question they will change the values, they will change the language, but question would remain same and method would remain same in this.